Ever feel like you're not making the most out of AI? Today, I'll show you 10 ChatGPT prompts you probably haven't tried, each one designed to boost your productivity, creativity, and just make life a little easier. Let's jump in. Number 1. Act as a personal trainer. Just type, "act as a personal trainer," make a beginner-friendly plan. ChatGPT will spit out a full workout schedule, tailored to you, even if you've never touched a dumbbell in your life. Number 2. Summarize any YouTube video. Paste in a transcript and ask, "Summarize this YouTube transcript." Instantly, you'll get clear, bullet point takeaways, saving you tons of time. Number 3. HR interview practice. Tell ChatGPT, "Act as an HR interviewer." You'll get tough questions and real feedback, perfect for crushing your next job interview. Number 4. Plan a 3-day trip. Plan a 3-day Tokyo trip under $500. Instantly, you get an itinerary with places to eat, things to see, and how to save money, no travel agent needed. Number 5. Explain Python code like a kid. Drop in your code and say, "Explain this code like I'm 12. ChatGPT breaks it down step by step so even total beginners can understand. Number 6. Reflective mental health chat. Just ask, "Help me reflect on my week." You'll get thoughtful, gentle questions to help you process your wins, losses, and everything in between. Number 7. Rewrite my resume. Share your resume and say, "Tailor my resume to this job." The AI will revamp your CV packed with keywords to help you stand out. Number 8. Create a meal plan. Prompt 7-day vegetarian meal plan. ChatGPT will build out recipes and even a grocery list, no more. What's for dinner stress. Number 9. Generate IG captions. Just type, "Write 3 IG captions for a beach pic." You'll get clever, scroll-stopping captions ready to go viral. Number 10. Dream meaning interpreter. Try, analyze my flying dream. ChatGPT offers deep psychological insights, way more fun than just Googling dream meanings. So, which prompt will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this useful, hit subscribe for weekly AI hacks, tips, and more. Thanks for watching AutoTech Digest. I'll see you in the next one.